Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on the TOTO NeoRest 1.0. I haven't seen too many reviews on this, so I thought I'd kind of give you guys my 2 cents, just kind of based off my experience and let you know what I thought about it. Should mention too real quick that although this is an expensive toilet, I did actually find a pretty good deal on it. I'll put a link below in the description to that deal if you're interested in picking one up for yourself. So when I was looking at these, it really comes down to the 1.0 versus the 2.0. Now the 2.0 costs considerably more money, but to be honest with you, it's really not much better at all in terms of features wise, in terms of styling wise. It's very similar. So in my opinion, save the money, get the 1.0 version. Basically, the only difference between this and the 2.0 is the design profile. The 2.0 looks maybe a little more sleek, maybe a little more modern, I guess you could say, although this one looks just as good almost, in my opinion. It's just, I guess, kind of subjective. But so what does this thing have? Well, it's a completely automatic toilet. As you approach it, it opens up. It senses a person is there. It sprays the bowl down with a light mist. The seat is heated at that point, so when you sit down it has a nice heated feeling. Once you're finished, it automatically sends out the cleaner. It does its clean cycle, which is the best clean cycle in the world in my opinion. After that, obviously the water's heated. Then after that you have a heated air dryer that completely finishes, and then you stand up, you're done. It automatically flushes. It uses its e-water plus system to clean the inside of the bowl. The seat goes down, the light goes off as you walk away, and you're done. There's no need for anything other than that, which is very, very nice. This sounds really weird, but you don't need toilet paper anymore, and you also don't need to wash your hands after you use the bathroom. I know that sounds like the worst thing ever, but it's really true. You literally just sit down, go, stand up, and you're done. There's no need to wash your hands because you haven't touched anything. It's really an awesome toilet, and it should be for the price. It's, in my opinion, worth it to certain people who want the best of the best. But I guarantee you, it's one of the few things that you'll spend this amount of money on, and you will not feel buyer's remorse about this at all. I absolutely love it. Like I said, if you guys have any questions on it or anything, just leave them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them for you. Highly recommend this thing. It's just incredible. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.